In 1908, shortly after being appointed as the superintendent of dining cars for the Northern Pacific Railroad, Hazen Titus was aboard the North Coast Limited when he overheard two Washington farmers complaining that they couldn't find a market for their potatoes. Because they were so large, customers thought they were too big to serve, and instead the farmers were feeding them to their pigs. Titus placed an order for all the potatoes he could get, over 2 pounds, and began a national marketing campaign that included memorabilia, postcards, letterhead, songs and sheet music, and even a 40-foot-long, three-dimensional Great Big Baked Potato on the roof of the Northern Pacific Commissary in Seattle. Electric lights caused the butter to glow and the potatoes' eyes to wink. The route of the Great Big Baked Potato was full steam ahead.